What's going on, guys? Welcome back to my channel. My name is Abdul, and if you're new, please subscribe. And in today's video, we're going to talk about how to set up your Google Shopping ads account and Merchant Center account so you can upload your products from your store and start advertising it on through Google Shopping campaigns, right? So once you set up this campaign, it's very automated. You can literally make money once you make that campaign. You can just literally let it go and just leave it alone and increase the budget as it's working, right? And you can just get sales with no it's not like Facebook ads. There's nothing complicated about this. All you have to do is just set it up for your store, and all of the products, once all of your products get approved, you're just gonna start making sales if there's enough search volume and your ads showing up on Google Shopping. So let's get right into it. So we're gonna go to apps. I created the store. It's called Shopzilla, so you guys can get inspiration if you guys want. I'll go ahead and design the store very soon. I don't think it's designed yet. So I've downloaded Oberlo, I've downloaded a couple of products, and I have Google Shopping app here. So I'll go ahead and click on that. You guys have to download that app, which is called Google Shopping. And then so we'll go ahead and create everything right now from zero. So because I do not have any Google accounts with this email, so I'm not sure why it's not loading, but so here we go. So as you can see, in order to use Google Shopping ads, I need to remove my password from my store and create a legal pages here and add my contact information to my store. So I'll go ahead and do that and be right back with you guys. So I went ahead and created the legal pages for refund policy and terms of service and all that, and I've already added the contact info, so I'm gonna click on that. So as you can see, there is no connected Google account, so I'll go ahead and create one. My email is gonna pop up right here, which I'm gonna have to blur it out because there's my store's emails and stuff, my personal emails. So I'll go ahead and click on the email that I have registered for this store, which is info.shopzilla@gmail.com. So in the future, if I need to use a store for any of the videos that I will be making, I will use this store as an example and do anything on this store. So as you can see, I just create the Google account, connected this my email for Google account, and I do not have Merchant Center account linked to this email, so I'll go ahead and do that right now. So I created the Merchant Center account. Here's the my Merchant Center account ID, and so now the Shopify has located the settings, and and it will try to import the products once I go ahead and configure the account. So from title and description, so it will change the description and title based on what people are searching most of the time. Here we go. So as you can see, it says it takes 3 to 5 business days for Google to approve the pending products. That's actually not true. It takes a little bit longer. That's what I've been experiencing with my other store. Whenever I upload the products, new products, it takes about a week to get it approved. So as you can see, I have uploaded 2 products, the windshield snow cover, which I revealed this product in my last video, and this 100 languages I love you necklace. So this I love you necklace, you probably have seen it on Instagram. They have been trying to use influencer marketing heavily on this particular product. And also, if we go to Google Trends, as you can see, this product is literally popping and trending right now. So I'll try to use Google Ads for both of these products very soon once it's approved. As you can see, I've searched up 2 keywords here. It's 100 I love you and necklace 100 I love you. So as you can see, both of the keywords are literally popping and trending currently. And as you can see, I did worldwide for the past 12 months. And this is the top countries that are searching for this particular product: Japan, United Arab Emirates, Egypt, Ireland, Nigeria, and all these type of countries. These are the what I'll go ahead and do that is, like, instead of just targeting United States for these products, I'll go ahead and target worldwide, and I will also create a different campaign targeting worldwide and a different campaign for United States and top 5 countries, English-speaking countries. So guys, we'll go ahead and go back to this is the wrong page. But so as you can see, it's literally pending. So once it's approved, you can create a shopping campaign from this. So what I will go ahead and do is let's set up the Google Ads account here. So you don't have to do for any of the products as of right now. So there's no Google account. So I have to create a Google Ads account for this email. So You just gotta accept the terms, and it's pretty simple steps to create your Google account so you can start advertising through search campaign. You guys shut the fuck up. Created a Google Ads account, and so let's see. I have to go ahead and accept the Google invitation sent to my email. So I'll go ahead and do that. So the invitation was sent, and I'm going to accept the invitation. And once I accept it, I will have to go to my ads account, Google Ads account, and set up all the info, like my contact, my billing information, and the website name and all this stuff right here, right now. So I'll go ahead and just do that quickly, and then come back to you guys. So guys, I'm recording this currently in a different location at my home. My actually laptop died at the old location. So now I have to just update my billing and payments info. So I've already entered my address and credit card info on the above right here, and I'll go ahead and submit that. And business name is Shopify. And there we go. We're going to submit. I'm going to have to blur this out because I don't want my information out there. So as you can see, boom, our billing is set up. So we'll go ahead and go back to Shopzilla, and we already added billing info. So I'm gonna go ahead and there we go. I've completed everything, all of the steps. So boom, there we go. So once the product's approved, I'll go ahead and create a campaign. But at this moment, there's nothing that I can do because none of my products are approved as of right now. So most of the time, and I'll go ahead and let you guys know that most of the time I start with at least $50 budget on daily, because Google takes a little bit longer to optimize than Facebook. So it does you have to let them have a little bit more budget so they can optimize much quicker. So if you're trying to do like $5 to $10, it's not a good idea. So go at least with $50. Trust me, if your products are getting enough search volume and on Google, your products will start selling. Especially if you have like 20-30 products on your store, whether it's a niche store or general store, you will literally make so much money automated, right? So basically for the smart shopping campaign, this is how you set it up, right? You title your campaign name right here. It's a smart shopping campaign, and you set the budget, and boom, publish the activity. So marketing was successfully created, but obviously it's in review, and obviously because it's in review, I do not have my products approved yet. So once my products are approved by Google, it will start advertising by itself, and it will appear advertising for one of these. I love you necklace, whatever that's, whatever the keywords that you want to put in, it will most likely show up over here because it's a smart shopping campaign. So it will not show up under the search results over here. So in order to set these up, the search results, we'll have to do create a different campaign on our Google AdWords account. So as you can see, I've already created this campaign, which is under review right here. Its status is eligible, but it's not gonna run yet because my products are not approved. So again, to create another campaign, search campaign, we'll have to go to all campaigns and click here plus a new campaign, and then we're going to set up our search campaign. So at this time, I'm not going to show you guys any of this search campaign. So go ahead and go to your store, start implementing this. I'm not going to show you guys in this video, so I'll save that for a later video because we do need a little bit of research behind it before actually setting up the search campaigns. So if you guys want to see that video, please let me know in the comments below, so I'll go ahead and make a video on that. And so if you guys have any questions, please let me know in the comments below, or shoot me a DM. If you have any questions, let me know as well in the comments, and see you guys until the next one.